Step stools are handy for almost any task that involves reaching up high, from accessing the top cabinet in the kitchen to installing a new shelf on the wall. A must-have item in many homes, a step stool is a worthwhile buy from the get-go. So in this video we will discuss 5 best step stools for kitchen. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. HBTower Step Stool. The HBTower 2-step ladder boasts several safety and convenience features that make it the best step stool for many homes. With an impressively high weight limit of 500 pounds, it can easily support most users plus their tools. Its strength comes from its alloy steel frame, which is paired with large rubber padded feet to keep it safely in place and prevent damage to flooring. The 2-step ladder measures 18.7 inches tall to the top step. With wide anti-slip steps, an automatic locking mechanism, and a comfortable hand grip, it keeps safety at the forefront. When the job is finished, this step stool folds flat to 1.6 inches deep for easy storage. Pros: automatic locking mechanism. High weight limit. Folds flat. Cons: bottom step is rather narrow at 7.9 inches. Number 2. Folding step stool. A step stool doesn't need a ton of features, or a high price tag, to be useful. Often, a simple, budget-friendly model works. The handy laundry folding step stool is a good choice for those looking for a basic, affordable option. Made of sturdy plastic and weighing just 2.3 pounds, this small one-step stool can tuck beside the kitchen or bathroom counter. It's foldable, tucking into itself to fold flat and reveal a carrying handle. Though small, this stool has a 300-pound weight limit. Anti-skid foot pads and a grip-textured top surface make this step stool a safe option. Pros: affordable. Foldable. Lightweight. Easy to carry and store. Cons: lacks locking mechanism. Number 3. Little Giant Step Stool. For those who need a good amount of height in a small package, this 3-step Little Giant Ladder's Jumbo Step may be a good choice. This lightweight aluminum step ladder has 3 wide steps. 2- and 4-step models are also available. Unlike many step stools, this model has a wider design that feels more like a staircase than the narrow steps of most step stools. The large platform steps also feature a non-slip surface, which makes it safer and more comfortable. The step stool can be used with or without the rotating safety handrail, which also has an integrated tool tray to place small tools. When the job is complete, this stool folds flat for storage. Pros: large platform steps with staircase-like design. Optional flip-up handrail with tool tray. Folding design. Cons: larger overall footprint. Number 4. B. Spaces Step Stool. Designed for toddlers and young children, the B. Spaces Peekaboost Kids Step Stool is a safe and appealing choice for little ones. The wood step stool has a charming design, with a natural wood and bright mint finish. It contains no folding parts, making it safer for a toddler. Wide, textured steps and solid construction make it a safe choice for kids older than 2 years old. It's a 2-step stool with an 11-inch height, ideal for helping kids reach the sink or for potty training. 2 built-in handles make it portable, so kids can carry it from the playroom to the bathroom with ease. Since this stool has a weight limit of 154 pounds, it also can accommodate some older kids. Pros: sturdy wood construction. Wide non-slip steps. Low height ideal for children. Fun and appealing design. Cons: lacks non-slip feet. Number 5. DMI Step Stool. Using a standard step stool can be dangerous for seniors who are less steady on their feet. Adults who need a safer option may want to consider one with a handle, like this step stool from DMI. Unlike standard step stools, which require a fair amount of balance to use, this option has a comfort grip handle that provides a dependable grip. This one-step stool has a 9.5-inch tall platform with several more safety features built in. It's made of durable steel, with wide reinforced rubber feet to keep it steady. A slip-resistant textured surface also helps prevent slipping. Weighing just 8.5 pounds, it has a weight limit of 300 pounds. Pros: sturdy support handle. Durable steel frame. Slip-resistant platform and feet. Cons: harder to store because of the tall handle. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.